we dive into building the store, the first thing we need to do is sign up for Shopify. To make things easy and to support the channel, just head over to ecomsensei.com/Shopify. This is my affiliate link, and it gives you a special offer, a free trial, plus your first 3 months of Shopify for just $1 a month. Once you're on that page, enter your email, click Start Free Trial, and follow the steps to set up your store. Shopify will ask a few basic questions about your business. Just answer what you can, and then it'll drop you right into your dashboard. Next up, we need to install the Atlas AI Store Builder. From your Shopify dashboard, look to the left and click on Apps, then hit the Add Apps button. Now, here's a heads up. Atlas might not show up right away on the suggested apps list. That's totally normal. Just scroll down and click on the Shopify App Store link at the bottom. That'll take you to the official Shopify App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Atlas. The first result you'll see should say Atlas AI Store Builder. Click on it, then hit the Install button. You'll be redirected back to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, click Install again to confirm the app. Once you've installed the Atlas app, you'll land back on your Shopify dashboard. Before we start setting things up, it's a good idea to pin the app so it's easier to find later. Just click the pin icon next to the Atlas app. This keeps it right there on the left-hand menu for quick access anytime. Now, go ahead and click on Start Setup. Atlas will guide you through a few quick setup questions. Just answer them based on what you're building. When you get to the final question, it'll ask, do you have a product link already? If you already have a product link from AliExpress, Amazon, or somewhere else, choose Yes and just follow the steps from there. But in this case, let's say you don't have one yet. Go ahead and select No. That'll take you straight into the main Atlas dashboard. Now you'll see a few different product source options: AliExpress, Amazon, Alibaba, or products from your own Shopify store. For this example, I'm going to go with Amazon. So now, in a new tab, head over to Amazon.com and find a product you want to build a store around. Once you've picked one, just copy the link from your browser. Then go back to the Atlas app page inside Shopify and paste that Amazon product link into the field provided. You can also choose your store language here. I'll just leave it as English for now. Once you hit Generate Store, Atlas starts working right away. It grabs all the product details directly from the link you provided, including the images, product title, description, pricing, and more. At this stage, Atlas will display the product photos it pulled in. You can choose which ones you want to include in your store, or upload your own if you've got better quality images.